Do you speak English?
Yeah, I do. Where are you from?
No. Я не говорю по-английски.
Okay. So,
No English.
okay, but what's your name?
Анастасия.
Anastasia. And your country name?
Да. Что?
Your country name? Country.
Как дела?
Caribbean. I don't know where is it.
Все отлично. Все классно.
Mm-hmm. So,
Как твои дела?
I don't know what are you saying. I can't speak your language.
Раша, русский. No?
Oh, Russia, right? Russian language. Okay, I got it. It's like, where do you live? Moscow.
Yeah.
Okay. So how to say how are you?
Привет.
How to say how are you in Russian?
Я знаю Apple.
Okay. So how about you, Ukraine and Russia?
Я не понимаю.
Hey, how about you like
Раша.
Russia and Ukraine?
Я не понимаю. Sit down, please.
Okay, I don't know what are you saying.
Не понимаю.
So you know one thing, you are beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, okay, I got it. So I don't know Russian language. Your friend
Спасибо.
comment there, like she says you're from. Okay, I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh?
Индия.
Okay, you know India. It's beside India. It's like Bangladesh is beside India. Not. No, bro. I'm from Bangladesh.
А, Что, что делать, если я не понимаю, что он говорит? Улыбка, помогай.
It was Bangladesh and India same, but after we have got freedom, and we are independent right now. And Bangladesh is a separated country. India is our neighbor country.
Я могу сказать тебе I love you.
I love you both.
I love you, baby.
Okay. So your friend is special.
Okay.
So